Guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a swatch video of body elixirs for my brand. This is how they look. Ooh, cute. Yes, thank you. But I'm just going to be swatching those for you today. So this video is extremely short. It's just for the swatches. So without further ado, keep watching. Just to explain a little bit about them. They're hydrating. They feel so good. There's Trophy, which is very like golden-y, like you're gonna look golden. And then there's no glitter in there, but there is shimmer. And then there's Heavenly, which is like an iridescent gold, soft iridescent gold. Most people prefer that if they don't really like how like a bronzer look, based off how I spoke with one of the customers about it. Like she loved Heavenly just because it's like there's iridescent holographic glitter in it, so it's like iridescent and stuff. So she liked that, and then the gold is so subtle in it, so it's like more of an everyday one. Whereas Trophy is more like in your face, like I'm glowing and you're gonna see it. And then the last one is Brown Sugar, and it's more of a bronzy brown shade, and it looks so beautiful. It's like your glow but better. So there's something for everybody. And if you're interested in seeing this video, just stay tuned and keep watching down below if you bought one of these and liked it, or if you're interested in buying one, because then you could just shop through my link in the description. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let's just get into it actually.